point is wind energy. Power plant which is based on wind energy for the generation of electricity. In this power plants, most important part is windmills or wind turbines. What is the windmills? ज्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण पवनचक्की असं म्हणतो. पवन म्हणजे वारा. वाऱ्याच्या साहाय्याने जे चालतं त्याला आपण पवनचक्की म्हणतो. It is a one type of machine which converts the kinetic energy of the wind into the electric energy is known as windmills, or it is also known as wind turbines, which are used in this thermal power plant based on this wind energy. When studied about the structure of wind energy or power plant which is based on this wind energy or construction of windmills, there are mainly three parts of this windmills. The first is blades of turbines. In this diagram you can study this, or you can observe these two are the blades of this turbines which are joined with one shaft, or it is also known as axles of this turbines. And the next important part is gearbox. You know, gear we used in the two-wheelers or four-wheelers for the increase the speed or increase the rotation of our wheel. Likewise, in this structure there is a one gearbox which is used for the increase the rotation per time of this rotation of the blades of windmills. So this is the structure. In this structure, these two are known as blades of these turbines. Then these blades are joined or connected to the gearbox with one shaft. Another one shaft is present, or it is also known as axle. It is for the connection between this gearbox and generator. So these are two shafts. And also there is a one support. This is the very important, where this generator and gearbox are situated, and the rotation of this gearbox, there are bearings are present on this support. Therefore, we can easily rotate the gearbox and also increase the rotation of this blades. So this is the structure of power plant which is based on this windmills or wind energy. So these parts, blades of turbines, then gearbox which is used for the increase the rotation per unit time, and axle of this turbine, or it is also known as shaft of this turbine. How this wind energy is used to generation of electric energy. With the help of this windmills, the wind energy which is required velocity. Here this velocity of wind is very important, because the low velocity is not important, or it cannot necessary for this rotation of the blades. So wind velocity which is required quantity for the rotation of these blades. So this velocity of this wind is projected on this blades or wind turbines, and then due to the rotation of this blade, what happens when this here projected on this blades means high velocity wind speed is projected on these blades, and due to this energy, which energy? Kinetic energy present in this wind is projected on this blade, and due to this kinetic energy, blades are rotated continuously. When speed is more or velocity is more, then rotation of blade is more. At that time, the blades are rotated, then this shaft also rotate, and gearbox is used to increase the rotation, and therefore when there is more rotation which is connected to the generator drives and electric energy is produced. So different stages of energy transformation in this power plant based on this wind energy. Kinetic energy, wind, it is converted into kinetic energy, turbines, then turbine rotates, electric energy is produced. With the help of this power plant, we can produce the different amount of energy, 1 kilowatt to the 7 megawatt, or it is also known as 7,000 energy at your home level or for your purpose of farm use or also commercial use. For this, the many things are very important. First thing which is very important for the situation or installation of this windmills. Installation म्हणजे पवनचक्की कुठल्या ठिकाणी आपण उभा केली पाहिजे, इन्स्टॉल केली पाहिजे, तर त्यासाठी काही जिओग्राफिकल फॅक्टर्स आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. मग भौगोलिक घटक कोणते? तुम्ही आपल्या शाळेच्या मैदानात उभा करू शकता का? नाही का? कारण तिथं काय गरजेचं आहे, एकतर आपली शाळा बंदिस्त आहे, आतमध्ये हवा जास्त एंटर होणार नाही, आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं काय, velocity of this wind for the rotation of blades of windmills. Therefore, the location is very important. You can this windmills are located on the hill region or also seashores, म्हणजे समुद्र किनारी. Why? Because there is no obstacles for the wind speed. There is a high speed on seashore. Therefore, we can produce the commercial electric energy with the help of this wind energy at the seashore. Therefore, this energy is also known as clean energy source or also green energy source. Why? Because when you produce the electric energy from this wind energy, there is no burning of any fossil fuel or there is no any wastage. It is there is no air pollution. Therefore, it is called as green energy source or it is a clean source of energy. And there is a one limitation, that is one disadvantages of this power plant based on wind energy, that is the speed of velocity or speed of wind is not available at everywhere. Therefore, it is the limited. So, depending upon the wind velocity availability at the site of installation and also wind turbine is selected. The wind velocity at specific location depends on many geographical factors. It is high on seashore. Wind energy is known as a clean energy source. This wind energy is limited because wind velocity necessary for the generation of electricity is not available everywhere. When you want to produce the electricity at your home level, there is the two important things are, first is length of this blade and height of this support. When you want to generation of electricity for your home purpose, at that time the length of blade must be 1.5 meter, and from this 1.5 meter blade and situated at 200 feet, you can produce the 2 kilowatt electric energy, which is sufficient for your daily use. Also, you can produce the electricity with the help of this windmills, where the purpose of wind farms. म्हणजे शेतीसाठी जर तुम्हाला याचा उपयोग करायचा असेल तर तुम्ही ब्लेडची लेंथ 50 मीटर ठेवू शकता, and also the support is 500 feet and the energy you can produce 2000 kilowatt energy. And when you want to commercial production of electric energy from the windmills, at that time the length of this blade must be 100 meter and also support or height of this windmill is 700 feet, and from this you can produce the 6000 to 7000 kilowatt energy from the this windmills. So this wind energy is very important in India. It is used mostly 7%, and also you must be increase your efforts to use this wind energy in the India. Major wind power stations in India with their capacities are available, and one chart is in your book. So this is about the wind energy or power plant which are based on this wind energy, because this kinetic energy present in the wind has been used since long time for the lifting of water, or also there is the लिफ्टिंग ऑफ वॉटर म्हणजे पाण्याचा उपसा करण्यासाठी, किंवा फॉर ड्रायव्हिंग द फ्लोअर मिल. फ्लोअर मिल म्हणजे पिठाची चक्की चालवण्यासाठी सुद्धा पूर्वीच्या काळी या पवन चक्कीचा उपयोग करायचे, किंवा पाणी उपसण्यासाठी. लिफ्टिंग ऑफ वॉटर, देर इज अ बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल इन औरंगाबाद नोन ॲज पानचक्की. सो दिस इज अबाउट द energy which is present in the wind, and you can use this energy nowadays for the generation of electric energy. So this is about your power plant based on the wind energy. In next video we will see about the solar power plant.